Let me ask you something, be honest. If your dreams came true tomorrow, would your habits today even deserve them? If that question makes you uncomfortable, keep listening. In a quiet countryside town lived a young man named Ethan. He was 25, healthy, intelligent, full of big dreams. Ethan often said, "One day I'll be the most successful farmer here. My land will be famous." People admired his confidence, but confidence wasn't his problem. Comfort was. While others woke up early, Ethan slept. While they worked under the sun, Ethan talked about the future. He loved success but avoided effort. One evening, his uncle, an experienced farmer, visited him. He stood in front of Ethan's empty land. "This soil is rich," he said, "but it's doing nothing. Just like your plans." Ethan laughed. "I'll start tomorrow." The old man reached into his pocket and pulled out 2 seeds. "One seed is ambition," he said. "Water it daily and it becomes success. The other is laziness. It grows by itself and destroys everything." He placed both seeds in Ethan's hand. "Your future depends on which one you feed." Ethan nodded confidently. "Of course, I'll choose ambition." But the next morning he felt tired. "I'll plant it tomorrow." Days passed. Out of boredom, Ethan planted both seeds, thinking he'd handle them later. Weeks later, he returned to the field. The laziness seed had exploded, thick weeds everywhere. The ambition seed was weak, dry, almost dead. His uncle returned and said quietly, "This field is your life. Ambition needs discipline. Laziness grows without effort." Ethan dropped to his knees. In that moment, the truth hit him hard. Dreams don't die from failure. They die from delay. That night, Ethan couldn't sleep. Before sunrise, he woke up. He pulled weeds with bleeding hands. Pain, sweat, no excuses. He watered the ambition seed every single day. Years later, the land flourished. So did Ethan. He wasn't lucky. He wasn't special. He just stopped feeding laziness. Now listen carefully, you're holding the same 2 seeds. One needs daily action. The other destroys silently. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Start today or stay exactly where you are. If this story hit you, don't scroll away, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who keeps saying tomorrow. Because ambition without action is just laziness in disguise.